what happened when Sam was born?
I was holding him so I could be sweet, and I was very happy that I had a new brother. So I didn't want to be mean when he was a baby. I wanted to be sweet. So I held him like I was his daddy, and there's a little boy. That was my baby. I was his daddy, and he was my little boy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and now he grew up to be a nice big 3-year-old. I grew up to be a big 5-year-old. I mean, actually, when you were 2, Sammy, and guess what? When you were 2, I was 4. Then when I was 5, you were 2, and then when I was 5, then you were 3, and then I was still 5.
You love your brother so much.
Oh, I love him more than anything in the world.
Turn right onto Albert Way.
And you know how much I love you? I mean, so much. I love you more than anything in the world. I don't want you mad. Yeah, and when I get mad, that's when I hurt you. When I do this, like that, like this, like grabbing your leg,